Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is September the 16th and I'm using my new Super Trader system. Keep in mind, whoever picks up the Super Trader system, I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on this trading simulator. It's a great app for the MT4 platform. By using this over about a few weeks or a month, it helped me to get from 40 pips a day approximately up to, lately I've been doing over 200 pips a day. I keep practicing with this. I do it over the weekend when the market is closed. I do the equivalent of 1 year's worth of trading. I practice many hours, and that helps me to become a lot better at trading. They do give you $10,000 practice, and on this particular day when I was doing this, I was able to double the 10,000 within about an hour. So as I only did 26, 27, 28 trades altogether. They give you the results loaded. It is packed with many features and functions. Does come with a 25-page ebook which will teach you how to use this trading app. I highly recommend you get your hands on this trading simulator if you wish to speed up your learning curve and find success at trading the markets. You can trade absolutely anything that your MT4 platform and your broker offers you. If you have any questions about this at all, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Now, let's see where we're at here. Before I get into these trades, this is very important, as there's a reason why 95% of the traders out there that fail. And this is why I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time. And that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy the education and then do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than one trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, I took all of these trades just before 7 a.m. in the morning, New York time, and I closed it out at around 8:50. So for roughly 2 hours of trading, I am done trading for the day, and I finished before 9 a.m. So let's see now. This is what I do every day, and I teach this in much greater detail within the training videos. I put a line in here, doesn't have to be right here, but anywhere in here, whenever you're getting in front of the computer. For me, it's anytime after like 6 a.m. in the morning. And then I drill down the lights from the higher time frames, and then I make a decision whether I want to be buying or selling. And on this pair right here, I sold it, so I put a down arrow. It's quite simple, it's not complicated. Literally only takes me 5 seconds to do that. And if you're going to be investing your hard-earned money, It's better that you do it and take those 5 seconds and just analyze the charts, and then you're going to go in the direction of the trend. Also, keep in mind the market is very random, and before it could have just as easily as tanked right here. But on this day, it decided to do this pullback, and I knew that it could go and hit the moving averages or hit this area of resistance, so I wasn't too worried about it. Keep in mind also the super trader, along with this super trend right here. This is loaded with a lot of bells and whistles, all kinds of alerts, audio sound. Here's the pop-up box right here. Just put it on true. You can also send it to your email, which I don't bother with. So you'll get a pop-up alert telling you the pair, the time, and whether you should be buying or selling. So when I did take the trade, and let's see where I got in at, pound CAD, let's see. When I did take the trade, it did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything looked fantastic. Super trend was red, a lot of red boxes. But the market, as I said, can very easily do this. So let's see, did do a pullback of about 19 pips, and I knew, I was 95% sure it was going to go down, and I like those percentages. I closed out the trade with 16 pips, and 16 pips on the pound CAD trade paid $1,265. Okay, let's move on to the next trade I did, pound New Zealand. So remember, on each and every one of these trades, put in the line, drill down the lights. It was telling me to buy. Lots of blue down at the bottom. There's the arrow. So it's exactly what I did. Bought it. I timed it exactly the way I teach within the training videos. It's called How to Trade the Goal Line. Took the trade. It did go against me. Let's see, 12 pips. And I closed out the trade with 19 pips. And 19 pips on the pound New Zealand trade paid out $1,346. And just to let you know that this trade here did not qualify for a great way to trade. But nonetheless, I still knew that it was going to give me some pips. Pound yen was the next trade. Let's run a check on it. Let's see where I got in at. Another one wasn't quite lined up for a great way to trade. But after I drilled down the lights, blue boxes, blue super trend here. There's the arrow reminding me to buy. Took the trade. I wasn't actually I didn't see it when it spiked up there, and I really, that's where I should have closed it out at. But I was generally overall happy with 17 pips, and those 17 pips on the pound yen paid $1,550. Remember, when I say, when I'm happy, I just look at the bottom, and once I get minimum 100 or more pips, and lately I've been doing futures like the last three here. They're called ticks, but on the MT4 platform, I just call it pips. But anyhow, keep in mind that these three pairs here, matter of fact, all of them, if you freak out trading the pound pairs, pound dollar, pound New Zealand, well, futures has a much higher volume and volatility. You will freak out a lot more. Just want to let you know that before you start trading it. So let's see. On this NASDAQ trade. Now this one here pays out the most. It doesn't have to move very much, as it pays $20 a pip. which is twice as much as what you'll get as on the pound dollar. And you can see in the top left corner up here, it does 178 pips a day, and today went, well, it never did hit the ADR. It didn't move all that much. Look at this. It still has a lot of room to go before it'll hit it. And this market is only opening, as a matter of fact, right now, 9:30, and would be very good for selling because it looks like it's starting to drop. And the higher time frames, you know, are saying to sell. But anyhow, I was super happy with over 200 pips, so I'm not going to complain. Let's see, took the trade here, closed it out being happy. And let's see, there's 4, looks like only about 8 pips here. It's not too much, but remember, it pays out double. So those 8 pips paid $1,720. Remember, on the NASDAQ, you don't need a lot of pips or ticks to make a lot of money. But just as easy as you can make, you can easily lose. So you want to make sure you're going in the direction of the higher time frames. Or else, guess what? You're going to be crying the blues. Crude oil, another great instrument to trade. Drilled down the lights, told me to sell. There's the arrow. Let's see where I got in at. Got in, only went against me. 7 pips. Looks like I closed it out with 49 pips. And those 49 pips on the oil trade paid out $4,900. Okay, let's move on to gold. Here's another one that just goes like crazy. And as you can see, it's the one that paid the most today. And that is why I like to do more than just one trade at a time, because at the beginning, I did not know gold would move the most. So, drag and drop it up. I drilled down the lights, told me to sell. The trend is down. Lots of blue boxes. Put the arrow, just so I don't forget. Took the trade. It only went against me, looks like 10 pips. And I ended up getting, let's run a check on that again. Looks like about 100. It's 15 points, or approximately 150 pips. 150, very close. And those 150 pips paid out $14,900. So another great day of trading. And all the thanks go for my back testing over the weekends. I still do it, 8 hours every weekend. And I'm very happy to say that my grand pip total turned out to be today 159 pips, or 259. Let me make sure I get the numbers right here. 259 pips, and that paid out $25,682. And this is a perfect example of what a great way to trade chart setup should look like. I knew right away that it was going to tank. So if your system is not producing like my super trader, I suggest you get your hands on it. To do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write up. Super Trader System, do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you'll never learn how to trade successfully. My Super Trader System has well over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It includes 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is above and beyond bonus, if you want to call it, education, which really should help your trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade here. I do teach a lot of ways. That's why there's 45 training videos. My number one way of trading is a great way to trade, which I mentioned earlier that this is a good example. And one of the videos, it's called How to Backtest Using the Trading Simulator. It is a long video. As a matter of fact, these two, How to Backtest, both of these are fairly long, but this one here is about 50 minutes long, packed with a lot of tips and tricks that should help your trading. You can put this video on pause, read everything that I teach here. Any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, simple also, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. And of course, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and answer your questions and give you some more tips and tricks on how to trade using the Super Trader. Now, if you click on this link right here, you will see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video and another day of trading. And I'll repeat it one more time again. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.